just going to show you guys what comes in our kit. So first of all, you've got the head unit, handbook, CAN bus, GPS antenna, Wi-Fi antenna, trimming tools, the aux, a USB retention cable, 20-pin power plug, so your reverse camera. So you've got your radar input, retention cable again, and a scan tool. So first we need to take off this fascia bit. So starting from the bottom using your trimming tool. Just be careful, look, so like here, just make sure that comes out together, because that can come out together. There you go. You see these sort of off all the bottom controls, so just take those off. There's a tag at the bottom. So just put that to the side. So you've got 4 bolts here. We've got 10mm bolts, so just get a ratchet. Back, as you can see there. All you have to do is now unplug them. Same thing. So now the cables have been ripped off, just put this to the side. So there we have it. So now we've got the cables. So now I'll show you guys and we'll put in the new head unit. Okay guys, I'm just going to show you on the old fascia. Just need to take out all the air condensers and the control buttons and the clips. So just show, I've got a little drill here, but you can use a screwdriver. Take out all the screws out, and then you'll be able to fit them into the new fascia. So this is what it looks like with everything all unscrewed. Now the next thing you need to do is take out these little clips here, putting onto a new fascia. So I'll show you guys on how to do that. All you need is a flat like so, and you can pop them off. You just insert it in and you can pop them off. Just put your hand over it. There you go. So now there's that. So now you just need to add it onto a new fascia. Just go in the same spot you did before, so until you hit click. Put in the buttons back onto a new fascia. Just match them up with the holes, and you can screw them back on. So here you go guys, it's all hooked up to the new head unit now, so it should look like. I'm just going to attach them to each cable to match, just to mix and match. This is for your USB and reverse camera here. We don't currently have this in the kit, but it will be available in the coming kits. So we won't be able to show the reverse camera in the video, but you will be able to do with your one. And it also keeps the retention of a USB port here. It's hidden. So yeah, so all you have to do here, it's mix and match. So all there. Sorry, that's all right. Obviously we've got the canvas already in there, so that's included. Antenna to fit the antenna, so this goes into here. So this will be your antenna there. So just got, obviously you got your Wi-Fi and GPS antenna here. So you got Wi-Fi, GPS, so you just need to mix it. So this for the GPS. Up. Screw in. I will leave them hanging for this video, but this bit comes off and you can stick it onto the back of the dashboard. Same thing, screw it on. Only 4. I'm just connecting all up together and putting it back into the unit space. So this is a 20 pin. This comes here. This powers up the head unit, obviously. USB retention cable over here, and obviously just make sure you connect out the back of these. Jack comes off. And all you have to do is just clean it up towards the back. Put in all the way yet, but once all the cables are connected, just make sure everything's working. Powers up, obviously powers up, you got all your apps. Just check the radio to see. Obviously works. Steering and controls are working, which is good. And yeah. So once you've seen that everything's working, you just push back the head unit until it clicks in, like so. Clicks in everywhere, and there you have it. So now it's a slick finish all over, and then everything is working. So now I'll show you guys on how to set up Apple CarPlay. To set up Apple CarPlay, first you have to go to Bluetooth, and you'll go here, search available on your phone. So my phone, on your phone, just go to Vhedia. And the code is 4000. So now, as you can see, it's connected. So now you go into Speed Play. This is your Apple CarPlay component. So obviously now on your phone you'll say use CarPlay. So you just say use CarPlay. And there you have it. So now you've got your Apple CarPlay display on there. It's all there. Obviously, because we didn't have the reverse camera, obviously won't trigger it, but it will come in our future kits. The steering wheel controls is already it was set on here before. But for steering wheel controls, all you have to do is go on to Rookie Study. So just press the key and it should come up. Yeah, here you have it. Your head unit for the Cherokee. I hope you guys liked the video. Please head through the link to see where you can get these at our website. And thanks again for watching.